Hello everyone, I just want to share with you a new parser that I've been writing for EventBridge Atlas. As you can see here, it's kind of a map. So on the left we have the sources, your event source. In the middle we've got the events themselves, and on the right we have the rules. On the top right you can filter the sources. So at the moment we're just seeing myapp.applications, which has one event in it called this flex application confirmed, and then we've got this rule, where does the rule go to? And up here we can select which source we're interested in. If I click on this one, for example, zoom out, we can see that obviously this source is more busy. Here's the items. We've got item created, deleted, shared, updated, and whatever else. And we can see the sources and the rules that each one go to. So let's just go into a few more details. Everything on EventBridge Atlas, there's also, you can specify the metadata for your events and your schemas and various other things. Let me just show you an example of that. So here's the author for this event. So I created a author metadata property. This is in the documentation how to do this. You can see there it says Team A. So if you're an organization and you want to know who owns the event, you'll be able to see that, and maybe some contact details in the future. And if you want to see the schema for the event, all you got to do is click on the schema here and it will render the schema in the browser. So if you're interested in any event, come along, look at the schema, that kind of stuff. So again, this schema down here, I can see it's schema. Everything on here is draggable. So you could drag this over there or do whatever you want. Everything is just connected by the way it is in AWS. So let me close that. If you want to see examples, so EventBridge Atlas actually allows you to set examples of your events for developers. So this is a key thing, I think, which is quite important. So people can actually see how to use your event. So again, this is just a noddy example, but you can see here, this is just an example of how the event will look. If I just show that, cool. This is how the event will look. And then if we close that, move that around, and we've got the rules over there. So you can just kind of come in, flick through your event sources, have a look around, have a play, and that's it. At the moment, I think in the future what I might do is add some more. We had some suggestions on Twitter. Add some more kind of maybe CloudWatch logs here on the event rules, which would be pretty cool. The latest ones, but this is just version 1. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you're interested in EventBridge Atlas and not seen this before, if you head over to EventBridge Atlas netfly.app, this is the homepage and the project. So the idea is this tool will pull down all your schemas in your EventBridge and will generate documentation for you. And the output is different depending on what you want. So let me just show you some quick examples. At the moment there are 3 parsers. This is the 4th one, this map. If you want slate documentation, all you've got to do is kind of run EventBridge Atlas and tell it you want the output of Slate, and your documentation will be created for you. And it's static HTML that's generated. Async API, so check out the async API. So it's like standardization for events, event-driven architectures and documentation. So you can take your schemas and output it in there, or DocuWow if you prefer this kind of look and feel. You can do it like that too. So what I'll be doing next is wrapping up this one here, writing some more documentation, and hopefully get version 0.3 out soon. So hope you like it. Let me know if you've got any feedback or thoughts. Cool, catch you later.